G'day everyone, Nick here from STEDI's product development team with another install video. This one's the LandCruiser 300 series in a grill kit. Pretty easy install this one. Don't need any modifications to the vehicle, just some basic hand tools required. Let's get into it. All right, first thing first, we're going to take off the cover over the radiator. You've got to take out these clips on top. For these ones, you have to push the button in and then just pull up gently and they'll pop out and take your cover off. All right, so these are the parts to the inner grill kit. You've got the main mounting plate and it bolts to these two uprights which go on either side. In the kit there's also a piece of rubber channel and this gets clipped to the passenger side upright, just in that corner there. Also in the kit is 4 bolts, 4 M8 bolts, 8 washers and 4 nylock nuts, and they are just to hold the mounting plate to the uprights. On the driver's side, we use this bolt here and we use the 2 down the bottom. So grab the upright for the driver's side and it just slips behind the plastic. Like that. And then put the factory bolts back in. Just put them all in loose before you tighten any of them up. And once you've got all them in, tighten them back up. So on the passenger side, we do the same again. We use this bolt, that bolt there, and that bolt hidden down there. Grab your passenger side upright, make sure your rubber strip's been put on, and then fit it down in behind the plastic. Like that. And then put the factory bolts back in again. Once again, don't do anything up tight until you've got all the bolts in. Next, grab the mounting plate and you've got to slip that down in there. And in the kit, there's the 4 bolts, 8 washers and 4 nylock nuts. You just have to pick the height of the mounting bracket to suit what lights you've got and what grill you've got, just so you get maximum light through your grill. We're going to run EVOs in this one, so we'll set that mounting bracket down fairly low. For spotties, it's generally going to be fairly low. For light bars, you might need to lift it up a bit. Before you do your shelf up, sit the lights in that you want and just check your heights. So that's our 300 series in a grill kit. Any questions, contact our customer service team, check out the range on the website and make sure to follow us on the socials.